Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. This XLT is in magma red, really nice color on it. You get the chrome package, so you get chrome running boards, chrome door handles. You've got a keyless entry door remote pad, you've got tow mirrors, leather armrests on the inside, power window controls, cloth seating that is manually operated with a third row bench seat, interior lighting controls. Taking a look at your dash, flip it over to auxiliary. You've got various screens here with towing status, trailer options, and a connection checklist. You've got off-road status, power distribution, and then you've got truck settings with pre-collision, my key, and display setups. Cruise controls on the left, and you've got hands-free on the right. You've got a stick column shifter with various drive modes up here: normal, towing and hauling, snow and wet, eco, and sport. You've got a Sync 3 sound system with 4G hotspot, satellite radio, and Bluetooth for your phone. Locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low, Trailer Pro backup, and trailer brake assist. Climate controls are down below that, and then you've got 2 USB ports and a 12-volt outlet. Another 12-volt outlet is just over here. Your third row bench seat folds up when you have a third passenger up front. If not, it acts as a center console with 2 cup holders as well. Coming onto the side of the truck, notice this does have the side box steps here. Get this little kick plate here, pops open just like that, and clicks back into place. Towards the back, you've got a chrome rear bumper, chrome handle here for the tailgate. You've also got a rear camera, rear view backup camera. Got your rear box with no bed liner yet, but you do have the option to put a spray in or a drop-in bed liner in. Taking a look into the back seat now. Cloth seating in the rear, lots of leg room. Back seats do fold up. You can stow in the back area if you don't have any passengers. Getting into the back, you've got a 12-volt outlet and 2 cup holders. Storage back here behind the front seats. You've got a dome light up top here. Nice view of the cabin as well. And then coming back around to the front, chrome front bumper here. You've also got a chrome front grille, tow hooks, halogen headlights and fog lights built in. All around a very nice truck, good for towing and off-road statuses. So come on over to MacPhee Ford today to talk to a sales advisor about getting you into this F-150. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.